Delz. Funko Pop addicts, what is really good? It's your boy Delz. We got brand new unboxing review. We get Goku out of the way. You see how big the box? Ah, shit. You see how big the box is? I actually think I have to back up the camera. Now we're good right here. So this box is huge. Let's see how this is packed. I'm a little nervous because look at that, man. It's like dented in right there. But we'll see. Hopefully it's not all jacked up. Let's hope. We're gonna take it out of the box, give you a detailed look. So make sure to show that love, bang that thumbs up. And if you're new here, if you love Funko Pop, make sure to subscribe. So there's a lot of bubble wrap on this. I think it's gonna be okay. This thing is so cool looking. I know I'm teasing you all right now, but I mean, this thing is really cool looking. It is huge. Look how big that thing is compared to Pikachu right there. Let me move these guys over here. Oops. That is ridiculous how much bigger it is. Let me show you a side profile. A little dented in over here, which kind of sucks. Definitely sucks. There's a side profile. There's a look at the back. It's basically the same as the actual Pikachu. The regular version, I'm pretty sure. Take a look at the small one really quickly. With the packaging and everything. This is my son's right here. All my kids got Pikachus. The question is, are they gonna all want the 10-inch Pikachu now? I have a funny feeling they are. And there Pikachu is out of the box. Looks amazing. And we're gonna take out the standard size Pikachu too and do a side-by-side comparison, because why wouldn't we if we have both of them? This thing is pretty damn awesome, I must say. It really, really is. Happy to have it. This may be one that stays out of the box because the box is messed up. And I wish Target would just not ship things where they get all jacked up. I have bad luck with Target. Look at the size difference on that. I mean, that is pretty damn funny. So much bigger. Let's get these guys completely out of here. And let's give you a side profile look. Oops, oh my goodness. Pika, Pika! There's a side profile. Back it up a little. Turn around to the back. And it looks exactly the same, basically. It's exactly the same, just a smaller size. I can't see any differences, really. Oh, you know what? The tail is different. The tail is definitely different. See how the tail is going more straight upward versus on the small version, it's just going literally to the side. So that's a big difference, and I think it looks awesome with it going out like that. And there's a look at the other side. And there you go, with a close-up HD look at the 10-inch Target exclusive of Pikachu. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you love Funko Pop, make sure to subscribe if you're new. And hit the little notification bell. This way, when I go live, you'll be able to watch the live stream. Plus, you get notified as soon as I upload a new video. Let me know if you tried picking this up or not. Supposedly, I heard they made at least 30,000 of this version right here. I don't know how many they did on the small version, but on the big version, I'm pretty sure they made 30,000. So that's a lot of Pikachus out there. Keep checking Target's site, and hopefully you'll be able to pick them up. They keep going up on the website. Follow my Twitter, because whenever I find out about restocks, I always post it on my Twitter. I'm pretty sure I even posted today when they restocked these. So definitely follow my Twitter at DJ Delz. That will be linked in the description box below. If you love podcasts, I have an hour podcast over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. And we do Q&A and a monthly giveaway. It's tons of fun, so check it out. And yesterday I did an unboxing where I picked up an exclusive from Dragon Ball Z and Hot Topic that they released. And it released in 2014, but it was up on their site last week, which I thought may have been an error. but it's not. They sent me them, and it's crazy. I guess that they found a batch maybe in the warehouse or something like that. Definitely check out that video. Also, I announced the giveaway winner with the Finn Balor. I gave away 2 of these, so find out if you won, because I haven't gotten hit up by any of the 2 winners yet, which is a little shocking. So definitely watch that video, and if people don't hit me up, then I'll announce 2 more winners, or maybe 1 more winner, depending on if I get reached out to. So definitely watch all of my videos, and we will be doing a new giveaway very, very soon, for sure, for sure, for sure. Let me know in the comments also if there's anything that you're looking to pick up. Maybe someone could help you out. Maybe I could help you out. And also, I will link in the description box below a ton of Funko Pop that I think you may want to order or pre-order. Just for your convenience, I like to link all that in the description box below. By the way, this did retail for $29.99. And this retailed for $8.99. Pretty expensive, but it's pretty damn big. You know what? I got another idea. This is going to be kind of dope. Let's see the size difference of Baby Groot and Pikachu. Looks like Baby Groot is basically a little bit taller than Pikachu, but pretty much the same height. By the way, Funko Pops that I'm looking for, I'm still looking for the Little Shop of Horrors Chase. I am also still looking for the Metallic Thanos, and I'm looking for the Oscar Walmart exclusive. Those are 3 Funko Pops that I am still looking for. So if you have it, hit me up, let me know. Maybe we could do some sort of trade. My Instagram is Delz Toy Show. That's my Funko Pop Instagram account / toy account. And then my personal account is Real DJ Delz. Real DJ Delz. Where I usually go live stream too over there once in a while. So definitely follow Real DJ Delz on Instagram. All my social media will be linked in the description box below. Definitely. I want to do a tutorial on how to open up your Funko Pop boxes without damaging the bottom. I see a lot of people that open up the box and they'll just dig their fingers and open it, and then you'll hear them say how much they care about the box, but then they just damage the box. So this is to help you all out. Make sure to bang that thumbs up button right now. It's very easy. So what you do is you look for the opening of the box right here, and then you stick the knife in right there and then push it right there. Then what you do is just turn your wrist like that. Opens right up. You didn't damage the box at all. One more time. Grab the knife, stick it in the box, push it to the wall. I like to put a finger here, push against the wall and twist your wrist. Opens right up. You ain't damaging the box.